Hello students, good morning. Welcome to part 1 video of our chapter number 5, that is coal and petroleum. We use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some have been made by human efforts. Right? So we can classify the materials around us in mainly two groups, that is natural and man-made, right? Now does this include what air, water, soil, minerals? They are all found in nature, so they are called natural resources. Can air, water and soil be exhausted? No or yes? You have already studied about water in class 7. Is water a limitless resource? In the light of the availability of various resources in nature, natural resources can be broadly classified in two kinds, right? उसकी use, उसकी availability per se, we can classify the natural resources in mainly two kinds, that is exhaustible resource and inexhaustible natural resource, right? First one, inexhaustible natural resource. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. They are called inexhaustible, जो human activities की वजह से ख़त्म नहीं होते हैं. That type of natural resources are called inexhaustible. Exhaustible means जो ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, that is exhaust, right? Examples are sunlight, air, right? Now exhaustible natural resources. The amount of these resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. Examples are forest, wildlife, petroleum, natural gas. These are all exhaustible natural resources. Activity 5.2, that you read it and make it understand. If you will not get it, I will explain you, but this is your homework. First you will try it. Now assume that the eatables in the container represent, it is related to your activity only, right? So now we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas. So these were formed from the dead remains of living organisms, which are called fossils. The dead remains of living organisms are also called fossils, and so these are also known as fossil fuels, right? These are also known as fossil fuels, right? We will learn about coal, then coke, coal tar, coal gas, the all byproducts of coal. We will also learn about petroleum and its refining. Then another exhaustible natural resource, it is natural gas. We will also learn about it, right? We will see how the natural resources are limited. We will also see the constituents of petroleum and its uses. How is petroleum refined? I want you, first of all, you read the chapter once and then I will explain you ahead. Okay, so the homework is you will read the chapter first completely. Thank you.